नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Tanidar, Kotaris, visitors, viewers, everyone sitting with us all over the world. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today I have something very exciting to share with you all. Science of superconsciousness. Paramashiva Vijnana is coming to the West and to the whole world. Listen. Literally, Paramashiva is coming to the West and to the whole world to share Paramashiva Vijnana. Let me describe precisely what I mean. When I was announcing about the persecution me and the Sangha going through for last 10 years, the kind of the support poured from all over the world, 1,400 personal emails, sharing time, treasure, talent, or all three, land, using their good offices and getting supports, literally from every corner of the world. And still it is pouring. Still it is pouring. I know it is time for Paramashiva Vijnana to reach the whole universe. The science of superconsciousness to reach the whole world. Thousands of acres land being donated. In various corners of the planet Earth, literally every continent, now we have property. Almost from all major recognized countries of United Nations, we have support pouring in. Swamiji established the library in our country, established the Gurukul in our country. I have decided Paramashiva's grace, with the blessings of Paramashiva's grace, he will appear everywhere. We will have 500 libraries, 500 Gurukuls all over the world, because the number of properties coming, the wealth being showered, people are just, even the people who say they don't have wealth, they are saying that I know how to get a grant, I am getting you $10 million. From everywhere so much support is happening, and it is time we take this superconscious science, Paramashiva Vijnana, to the whole world. Just yesterday I announced through the Adinavasis, we are going to make a university in Los Angeles. We have identified a property. We are working on it, which can accommodate around few hundred people. We have also identified a whole city coming for sale in Nevada. The whole town is for sale in Nevada. We have identified few properties where one property will be dedicated completely to men's monastery. One will be dedicated completely to women's monastery, nunnery. One will be dedicated to the householders, grihasthas to stay. We have identified Some of these properties, you can all take a look at few of the properties we are working. Soon will become Kailasa, Paschima Kailasa, will become a place for the science to be taught to the whole world. I wanted to tell you all, already 2 devotees have taken the responsibility to donate the properties I've shown you. They are going to work on those properties and raise the funds, whatever they need to be doing. They've taken the responsibility. All I wanted to tell you is, it is time we are integrated, authentic, responsible and enriching Paramashiva Vijnana. This great science of superconsciousness, Paramashiva Vijnana, Paramashiva has decided to take the whole thing to the whole world. Naturally, His grace, His blessings, His decision wins. Understand? Now, Kailasa comes to your place. Be very clear. Most authentic, integrated power manifestation science, the superconscious science, is going to be brought to you. And as per the Hindu tradition, I am going to keep the university and Gurukul completely free of charge. I am going to maintain the economic policies of Paramashiva. Whenever we offer the spiritual knowledge and experience, it is free. Paramashiva gives a very clear economic policy. Brahmana has to share with the whole world whatever he has and live by begging, donations offered. So our whole Jnana Pada wing means the wing of the Kailasa, which is teaching and sharing spiritual knowledge and experience. That wing will function on this as a policy. We will share everything we have with the world and live with the donations received. And the same way, Vaishya, who gives his time, can raise money doing business, selling the right things needed for society. Moral business, life positive moral business is allowed for Vaishya. Kshatriya is allowed to administer without putting people in fear. Shudra is allowed to have money earned for the work he delivers. We are going to follow the same economic policies of Paramashiva. We are going to revive spiritual legitimacy. We are going to revive and bring spiritual legitimacy, religious legitimacy, social legitimacy, cultural legitimacy, economic legitimacy, scientific legitimacy, moral legitimacy, and ultimately political legitimacy to Sanatana Hindu Dharma. Understand? I am very clear. The doors are opening, Paramashiva is gracing. Unimaginable doors are opening from all corners. Time, treasure, talent, money, people are showering everything. Unimaginable way. I really wanted to tell you all, we are succeeding. We are successful in the mission we have taken up, Paramashiva's grace. Whoever wants to have a superconscious breakthrough, now I am bringing the Kailasa to the country where you are. I am bringing the Kailasa to wherever you are, to your country, wherever you are. Enjoy this power manifestation science of enlightenment. I am also opening the Living Enlightenment graduation program, free of cost to everyone. Science of manifesting Paramashiva state, space, powers, being and superconsciousness. All of you can enroll for this program online and start now itself. When the campuses are ready, you are free and welcome to come and be in the campus and have the education experientially done. Understand? It is going to be experiential, not just knowledge. The power manifestation, Hinduism is basically enlightenment lifestyle. Please understand. It is not like a one day you get enlightened. You get enlightened in 1 second, no doubt, and then you live that lifestyle. That is Hinduism. All of you can experience the superconscious breakthrough now from wherever you are. I am opening the doors. I am opening the possibility for all of you to enroll, become full-time Adinavasi in your own country, including United States, Canada, Mexico, Australia, Portugal, almost every country. We are receiving property literally from every country, New Zealand, France, every country. You can start sending your application to become a full-time Adinavasi. Germany, Hungary, every country. You can start sending your application to become full-time Adinavasi, full-time volunteer. You can start the online courses, especially the undergraduation, bachelor's degree in living enlightenment. You can start the lifestyle of Paramashiva, living enlightenment immediately. We have received properties till now from Austria, Hungary, Germany, France, New Zealand, Malaysia, USA, Canada, and in US multiple places, Singapore, in US alone almost 25 places, and it is still pouring. It is not yet over, still pouring. So, from all over the world, applications are welcome. I am opening the doors of Kailasa. You can fill the application for full-time Adinavasi. You can fill the application to become a sannyasi. You can fill the application to become a sannyasini. You can fill the application to become full-time volunteer. You can fill the application to be grant writer and raising the funds. As a Brahmanas, we live by begging. So we share spiritual knowledge and ask people to donate, contribute. We live by begging. So you can become the grant writer and raise funds for these various projects. You can become Acharya in our university. You can study the higher courses and you can teach the initial level courses. You can be doing PhD and you can teach bachelor's degree. For bachelor's degree, you can be a teacher and you can be a student of PhD. All possibilities are opened, all doors are opening. We have a separate campus for men, separate campus for women, separate campus for householders with kids. And we are open for LGBT community also to become part of our Sangha. LGBT community also is welcome to become part of our Sangha, our community. Understand, anybody who declares their integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching to Paramashiva, Sanatana Hindu Dharma are welcome. We have lots of things to do. We need to build 500 libraries, 500 gurukuls, where this knowledge, Sanatana Hindu Dharma, is protected, preserved and practiced, radiated, manifested, taught to the whole world. We have lots of exciting work to do. Lots and lots and lots of exciting work to do. You can all send the email to whatever way you want to be participating. Fill the form at tinyurl.com/apply-GHU. GHU means Global Hindu University. Start applying. Whether you want to become full-time Adinavasi, or you want to become full-time volunteer, you want to do part-time volunteering, you want to become a student in Living Enlightenment bachelor's degree, you want to become a teacher for Living Enlightenment bachelor's degree, you want to become student of PhD, we are offering everything. You want to become grant writer and raise funds for the projects. You want to study from wherever you are and want to volunteer for all the digital websites, those projects. Or you want to do all this, everything. You can choose and you can have everything. You are free to do whatever you want. I am opening all the doors. You can all start enrolling, start registering. I tell you, it's a real excitement to take Paramashiva's mission to the whole world and help the humanity with a superconscious breakthrough, standing up for the cosmic constitution of Kailasa, reaching out to the whole world and standing up for cosmic constitution of Kailasa. I wanted to give you a few minutes for you all to apply in this tinyurl.com/apply-GHU. And Jnanatma has few more things to share with you all. She will share, then we will continue the satsang.
Nityanandam Paramasukadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvandvatitam Gagana Sadrisham Tattvamasyadilaksham Ekam Nityam Vimalamachalam Sarvadi Sakshibhutam Bhavatitam Trigunarahitam Sadgurum Tam Namami. Nityanandam, today we all heard what Swamiji shared in the satsang. how he is offering himself to humanity more and more and more in all possible ways. When Swamiji started his avataric mission in the year 2000, last 18 years, the science of superconscious breakthrough, the science of living enlightenment was offered in Adi Kailash, was offered online. Now, with all whatever his Sangha, his Adinams, his temples have gone through, all the persecution that he has gone through, is not stopping him from giving what he wants. It is only making him expand more and more ferociously. He is only expanding to where we are. He is only coming to where we are. He is only offering the knowledge, the science of living enlightenment to now each and every country. So instead of how we typically react when an attack comes and a persecution happens, we tend to contract ourselves. We tend to shrink ourselves. And the way an avatar reacts to the persecution that for no reason he is subject to, his devotees are subject to, his monks are subject to, he is only making himself available more and more and more through various different platforms, through various different avenues, through various different programs, through various different initiations. Making his time available more and more and more through many more Dial the Avatars, through many more Pada Pujas, through online initiations, through world tours, now through the Global Hindu University, which is coming to your very city, to your very town. Since the last weekend, the Science of Manifesting Reality workshop, the Science of Manifesting workshop, we have had too many emails flooding the registrar inbox, sharing, offering lands, offering properties, offering their time, talent, treasure, offering donations to the Sarvajñapita Foundation, just so that this science can be kept alive in your city, in your state, in your country. And as Swamiji shared, we are just overwhelmed with the response and the support that we are receiving, and we wanted to thank each and every one of you. And we have been doing our level best, the registrar team at Kailash, we've been doing our level best to reach out to each and every one of you. For a few of you, if you have not yet responded, please pardon, we will be reaching out to you in the next few days. We have really feel so honored and so much grateful to each and every one of you for the support that you're offering. And now I wanted to share the Bachelor's in Living Enlightenment, the program that Swamiji is offering. Now, if you're someone who's watching this and feel, I have to live a life only has meaning when I live with the avatar. You really want to live. For whatever reason, you have not been able to come all the way to Adi Kailash, become an Adinavasi there. Do not worry, we are coming to where you are. That's the avatar's style. So we are now opening campuses. The Global Hindu University is now opening its campuses all over the world, in all the countries, in all the places, wherever the devotees have offered us property, offered us land. All the extension campuses of Global Hindu University is opening in all the countries. We have been offered huge properties in Australia, Hungary, in so many, hundreds of places. We are actually collating all of that, establishing the extended campuses of Global Hindu University, so we can start offering the science of manifesting Shaktis, the science of living enlightenment in these campuses. Now, you have an opportunity to come to any of these campuses and reside there as a full-time Adinavasi, where you experience the superconscious breakthrough, and you decide, my life's purpose is to experience this and to let others experience it. Let me be a channel for others to experience superconscious breakthrough. So you decide to offer your life to become a part of the avatar's mission, or rather, the way I would put it, you get so blessed to be a channel for the avatar to flow through you to reach out to humanity. So that's the lifestyle of an Adinavasi. Or you can decide, okay, I really want to learn this science and go back to the world, and I have a career plan that I want to live. I have an ambition. I have a purpose that I feel I have to fulfill. But I really want to spend some time learning the science, experiencing the science, living enlightenment. And from the space of living enlightenment, I want to expand my career, expand my business, expand my life. Great. So you can come and stay in the residential campuses, any of the residential campuses of the Global Hindu University. Come and spend 3 years. Get a bachelor's degree in living enlightenment, go back and celebrate, radiate enlightenment wherever you are. If you are somebody who feels neither am I able to commit full time, nor am I able to commit 3 years to come and spend and study, great. We have an option even for you, which is being where you are. You can be an online student of the Global Hindu University and take the courses of the Global Hindu University where you are. We will have online courses, online initiations. And for those of you who feel, I want to be a part of this divine effort in taking the superconscious breakthrough to the world, what are the ways that you can contribute? You can join us by offering your time, talent, and treasure. You want to volunteer your time, you have a specialized skill in terms of teaching, in terms of video editing, in terms of website, in terms of writing, compiling the books, in terms of many other things. Offering your time, you want to get some fundraising for the Global Hindu University. Anything that you want to do, offering your time, talent, or treasure, you're welcome. Join us in the effort. So I'm going to go through just the broad curriculum of what you can expect when you register yourself, enroll yourself for a Bachelor's in Living Enlightenment program. So I request the vision team to project the slides. Okay, I'm going to share about the Bachelor's in Living Enlightenment course that is offered by the Global Hindu University. What that course contains and how you can be a part of the course. Now, anybody who wants to be a full-time resident Adinavasi in any of the campuses of the Global Hindu University all over the world, you will be a part of the Bachelor's in Living Enlightenment program. Or you want to come and only do the bachelor's, the 3 years, then you can come and also participate in the Bachelor's in Living Enlightenment. So the Bachelor's in Living Enlightenment will have 5,000 hours of learning which spans across the basics of Hinduism, the Shrutis, the Smritis, the Itihasas, the Puranas, Agamas, the lifestyle. You will learn the basic introduction to the Hindu scriptures. Please understand, Hinduism has more than 100 million source books. Today, unfortunately, only 20 million of those 100 million source books even exist today. So, directly learning from the scriptures as explained by His Divine Holiness Paramahamsa Nityananda in a user-friendly format. So we can understand what is the essence, the context of the scriptures, the true scriptures, the Shastra Pramana you will be taught. And then you will also learn the Atma Pramana, the Apta Pramana and the Atma Pramana. Means how Swamiji has explained the concepts in the Shastras in a way we can apply in our day-to-day life. How can we live enlightenment? The core cognitions that we need to hold to manifest the Shaktis, understanding the thought currents, how to experience the oneness with Paramashiva and manifest the Shaktis of Paramashiva. The various different dimensions of Hinduism in terms of the different paths. Example, yoga. So you learn the authentic true yoga, the Nityananda yoga as revived by His Divine Holiness Paramahamsa Nityananda. Not only you learn, you become an acharya, yogacharya to teach yoga to others. Similarly, you become a dhyanacharya. You learn the true essence of meditation, the cognitions around meditation, experience meditation, and you become a dhyanacharya to teach these meditation to others. You become a Jnanacharya, being able to conduct classes, taking the weekend workshops, taking meditation programs, completion sessions. So you experience it, you experience completion, and you become a channel to teach others about the 2-day weekend workshop or a 10-day weekend program. You will be trained to be able to transmit this knowledge to others as a Jnanacharya. And then Pujacharya, you will be trained in the authentic agamic rituals, the lifestyle. The agamas are the applied science of Hinduism. So you will learn the traditional agamas to learn how to perform the rituals in our temples or in any temples all over the world, which is operating as per the agama, as per the applied science as revealed by Paramashiva himself. So this 3-year Bachelor's in Living Enlightenment program, which is open for anybody who decides to be a resident Adinavasi in any of our campuses worldwide, or you want to come and just experience it for the 3-year program and go back and continue your life any which way you want to come and participate. This program is open for you. You can come and join in any of our campuses. We are opening a campus very soon in Los Angeles, which is Paschima Kailash, the western headquarters of the Nityananda Sangha. We are opening a university there, and in all the different places where land is being offered, we are having a university in each of those places. So we are forming Adinams. Come and join there and learn. And as you are learning, see, in the Vedic tradition, a person is a student till he experiences the ultimate. So as you learn, you teach. As you teach, you learn. So that's the way the knowledge transmission system happens in the Vedic tradition and in the Vedagamic tradition, and that's the way we would be reviving the universities as well, which are the seats of learning. Sharing all this information with you in the email as well. The Bachelor's in Living Enlightenment, it is literally an empowered lifestyle, living enlightenment, living, experiencing and living the superconscious breakthrough, which Sadashiva has come to deliver to the world. So it's a 3-year program. And if you are a resident Adinavasi, the program will be offered completely free of cost. And we are also having scholarships. If you want to do a 3-year course and you want to apply for scholarship, you want to get it, do the 3-year residential course with free food, free accommodation, you can apply for scholarship. The Global Hindu University is really looking to help people who are interested in learning this science as well. So please apply for scholarship if you want to do the 3-year course. If you want to come and reside in the Adinam and learn and transmit the science to others, the food, accommodation, the course, everything will be completely taken care for you as well. So I know you're all waiting to join and become a part of the Global Hindu University. You can sign up in the link that's being projected on the screen right now, which is tinyurl.com/apply-GHU, where you get to be a part, whether you want to register to become a full-time resident member in any of our worldwide campuses, or you want to do a 3-year course, or you want to offer your time, talent, or treasure, or you want to help join the fundraising efforts, or you want to do one or more of these. Go ahead and apply in the tinyurl.com/GHU, which is the Global Hindu University, and become a part. Let's experience the superconscious breakthrough and be a channel for the world, for humanity to experience the superconscious breakthrough. So with that, I would like to hand it over back to Swamiji for continuing the live satsang. Nityanandam.
So, welcoming all of you to be part of this great superconscious breakthrough, spreading enlightenment, the state, space, powers, being and consciousness of Paramashiva. And you are welcome to be part of it in whichever way you want to. I will recommend you be part in every way. That's the best thing can happen to your consciousness, your soul. So with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam, Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.